All right, so class, for today, we are going to be converting metric units of measurement dealing with volume and with mass. So on our reference sheet here, we are going to be circling our liters, our grams, and our kilograms because those are all metric units of both volume or capacity and metric units of mass as well. Liters being capacity, grams and kilograms being mass. So one of our questions up here says Anna made 2 liters of sauce. How many milliliters did she make? We have to know the conversion of liters to milliliters first. And I'm going to show you a different strategy than last week. Today's strategy is going to be using what we know in order to kind of draw it out. So what I'm going to be doing is making 2 rectangular boxes. That's going to stand for my 2 liters. Inside these little boxes, I'm going to write the word liter. So here we have 2 liters that we've drawn now, and underneath we are going to denote how many milliliters are in 1 liter. There are 1,000 milliliters in each liter. Now that we know how many milliliters are in each liter, we can then use our addition symbol to add both liters together. Both of those liters together would equal 2 liters, and that means 2 liters will be equal to 1,000 milliliters plus another 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000 milliliters, and that's what we would put in our grid here and bubble in. (2,000 milliliters is going to be equal to 2 liters. I'm going to scroll down here, show another question that we can work on now. This is going to have to be doing with mass, grams and kilograms. Remember, kilograms, there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Kilo, root word meaning 1,000. And then 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Milli, root word meaning also 1,000, but 1,000 1,000th of a liter or 1,000th of a gram. So you would be dividing in that 1 gram, there would be 1,000 milligrams. So this question says the mass of 4 large zucchinis is about 2 kilograms. About how many grams will 1 large zucchini be? So we have 4 large zucchinis here. Four large zucchinis is equal to 2 kilograms. We've got to figure out how much 1 large zucchini is in kilograms. Well, we got to use what we know. If 4 large zucchinis is 2 kilograms, that means we can use this information to find out how many kilograms are 2 zucchinis. So half of our large zucchinis, so I'm going to say 2 large zucchinis. 2 large zucchinis is going to be equal to, well, if half of 4 is 2, half of 2 must be 1. So 2 large zucchinis is equal to 1 kilogram. Now I got to divide it in half again. Half of 2 is 1. 1 large zucchini is equal to half of a kilogram. Well, we know it's going to be grams because it can't be a kilogram anymore, right? And what's half of 1,000? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, so we need to find out what half of 1,000 is. Half of 1,000 is 500. Each large zucchini is going to be about 500 grams. We can use what we've been using all year just by drawing it out or using reasoning with math. Thank you for watching. Continue working hard.